Welcome to Pamparato, a hidden gem in the Maritime Alps, in the province of Cuneo. Here, at about 1,000 meters above sea level, nature reigns supreme. Pamparato is the ideal place for those who love nature, trekking, and tranquility. Pamparato's strategic location allows you to easily reach both the Ligurian beaches and the Langhe Hills, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nestled in a park of over 30,000 square meters, this unique property is an oasis of peace. The main chalet, along with 2 enchanting tree houses, is built with an extraordinary material, Canadian Red Cedar. This precious wood, from centuries-old trees, emanates a resinous fragrance and offers exceptional living comfort, both in summer and winter. The tree houses, veritable stilt houses almost 8 meters high, offer a unique experience with cozy studios and panoramic terraces. A 6-kilowatt photovoltaic system powers the entire property, providing heating and hot water.